Welcome to Drops on Li. So today we're talking about this particular testnet called the INCO Testnet. So in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to do and know about this particular testnet. So you please ensure you watch this video till the end. Okay. So please, if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do it to subscribe and support us. Okay. So in this video, I'll be walking you through all you need to know. Okay. So now all the links I'll be moving to is going to be down there in the description. Just go over there and click on it and follow along. Now for a brief introduction as regards to this INCO network testnet. So now this particular testnet, they have raised up to $10 million for this testnet so far, and then this testnet was launched on 23rd April. So it's still early for those that are looking for early testnet that they can engage with. Okay, so now this airdrop is confirmed. Okay, so it's a good one. So now so the first thing first, so head over to the first link. So now here we have to claim this base Cyprian faucet token. Okay, so it's going to serve as our gas fee for this particular testnet. Okay, so just head over to the wallet you want to use. For me, I'm making use of my MetaMask, so I'll just go over here. I'll copy my wallet address and then come over here and paste and claim the faucet token. Okay, so I'll just do this right away. Okay, so you have to complete this verification process, okay, for you to be able to pass this. Okay, so once we do that, we then head over to the next link. Okay, so ensure you do these things. Okay, so now that's the first thing you have to do. So claim the faucet token, right? So then after you're done with this, head over to the next link. Okay, so now here in the next link, here we have to connect the same wallet that you just claimed that faucet token into. Okay, so I used my MetaMask, so I'll just go over here and click on my MetaMask and then sign in. Okay, so I'll complete this now. So now here is the main dashboard for this particular testnet. So now once you come over to this place, first thing we're going to do is that we're going to head over to Mint. Okay, so click on this Mint. Okay, so here, come over here, click on USDC, and then you select $10. Okay, so let's just mint this one. Okay, so that's the first thing we have to do here. Okay, so and then complete the transaction. So now I'm done with it. Now the next we are going to do is to head over to this shield. Okay, so click on this. So click on this shield and then click on max. Okay, and then complete the transaction. Okay, so that's the next we are going to do here. So after minting, you then shade. Okay, so complete the transaction. Now once we are done with this, next we are going to do is head over to this on shield. Okay, so we are done with the shielding, then come over to the on shield, click on it, and then select $10. Okay, so and then complete the transaction. Okay, so that's basically what we have to do here. Okay, so just ensure you complete all these transactions. So now as you can see, I'm done with this. So now back here now, so now basically what we did here was that in this particular first link, first thing you have to do first is you have to mint. Okay, so once you mint, after minting, then we then have to shield and then unshield. Okay, so that's what you have to do here. So that's part of the daily tasks for this particular testnet in this website. So now head over to the next link. So now once come over to the next link here, you have to connect that same wallet. Okay, so here we are to play a game. Okay, so now this game looks quite interesting. Okay, so just connect your wallet first. So we connect my MetaMask wallet. So now here, now in this game here, just like I said, that we have to play a game here, and now the game here is kind of interesting. Here we are to just guess a word. Okay, so now they just give us a word and then we are to just guess the word. Okay, so the word, the one that knows what they want us to guess. Okay, so just click any random word. Okay, and if you're lucky enough, you can be able to guess the particular word. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click all these things and see if I have a chance. Okay, so now to do this, each letter you click, you have to complete a transaction. Okay, so and then go back and then try another one. Okay, so I don't know how this game is going to be, but I think maybe the number of transactions that you make here is going to is what they're going to use as, to check whether you actually play the game. Okay, so not uh the being able to get the word itself. Okay, so I think I have got one. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's know that we can get this. Okay, so we have to complete all these things. Okay, so just I think we have up to like 8 chance so for us to try. Okay, so keep trying until we know whether we can get the word. Okay, all right, let me complete this thing quick. So that's what this game is all about. So the game is not that quite interesting, sure, but you just have to complete. Okay, now I've gotten the first, the second one. I've gotten A and E. Okay, let me keep trying. Maybe I can get more. Okay. All right, we're still on this. Okay. Okay. Let me try M. Okay, I've tried so many, but it didn't work out. Okay, I've gotten M. Okay, so let me just try. Let me try K for make. Let me know whether it can work. So that's what you have to do here. So just try and as much as you can. Just like I say that I don't know whether it's going to be based on the word you got, but just the number of transactions is going to confirm, okay, that you played the game. So that's what you have to do here. So that's all for this particular one. So the next we're going to do, head over to the next link. So here you have to um enter to sign up to their Discord page. Okay, so just go over there, so follow the link. Okay, so once you come head over here, you have to complete the verification process. Okay, so I'll just do these things right now, so you just watch as I do it. So now all these steps, they are very quite easy to do, just following this step-by-step procedure. That's what we are doing here in this video, so that you don't miss any step. Okay, so if you like what we are doing here, just like and comment and share as well too, and then subscribe to our video as well. Okay, so we show you all you need to know. So now just complete all these things, and that's what I have to do for the verification. So I'll just, and also ensure that you are always active here on the Discord page. Okay, so just engage in conversation and then complete any tasks that comes up here. Okay, so that's it. So now the next we are to do here is that head over to the next link. So now here in the next link here, we are to claim this INCO faucet token. Okay, so I just saw this in one of the research when I was doing the research about this particular testnet. So you'll just head over to your MetaMask wallet. For me, that's what I'm using. So I'll copy it and then come over here and then claim this faucet token. Okay, so for now I'm having issue claiming this. Okay, so maybe I'll still come back and try this particular claiming. Okay, so once you claim this, part of what you have to do with this faucet token, from what I saw from the research, is that you have to send this token to yourself. Okay, so just head over to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so once you claim it, head over to your MetaMask wallet, copy your wallet address, go to send. Okay, and then send part of this INCO faucet token to yourself. Okay, so that's what I saw when I was doing research about this particular testnet. Okay, so that's all you have to know and do as regards to this particular testnet. Okay, so please, if you have any question, please you do it to ask there in the comment section. I will do it to answer all your questions. So please, if you yet to subscribe to our channel, please you do it to support us, share, like our video. Okay, and see you in the next video. Okay, so thank you.